Hello friends, welcome to Art with Aruna, and today we are going to solve NCERT class 6 exercise 8.5 question number 2 to 7. Let's start. Second question of this exercise is Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for maths book and rupees 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. So here you can see the word total, and whenever we find this word total or sum in any word problem, simply its mean is we need to do addition in the given word problem. So here what we need to add? Here we need to add the amount spent for the maths book and the amount spent for the science book. So let's write down the statement for these two. So we will write the first statement: amount spent for maths book equal to, that is 35.75. so we will write rupees 35.75. next, amount spent for science book, that is rupees 32.60. Now finally we need to write down the third statement, that is total amount spent by the Rashid. We can copy the statement as it is from here. So we will write total amount spent by Rashid equal to, we are going to add the numbers here only. So for this, always write the numbers just below the numbers and decimal point just below the decimal point. Let's draw one line over here. Now add the numbers: 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 6, 13, 1 carry. Write the decimal point just below the decimal point. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 3 plus 3, 6 rupees. So finally our answer is rupees 68.35. Third question of this exercise is Radhika's mother gave her rupees 10.50 and her father gave her rupees 15.80. Find the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. Again, here you can observe the word total, and when total comes in word problem, it means we need to add the given numbers. So what we need to here, we need to add the amount given by Radhika's mother to her and the amount given by her father to her. So let's write down the statement for this question. First statement will be amount given by Radhika's mother equal to rupees 10.50. Next is amount given by Radhika's father, that is equal to 15.80 rupees. Now, third statement will be the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. So here we will write total amount given by Radhika's parent. So that is equal to, again we are not going to write separate numbers here, we will add in the same statements. So let's add plus here, then draw one line here, then 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 8, 13, 1 carry. Keep the decimal point at the same position. So write down here 1 plus 5, that is 6, 1 plus 1, 2. Note down the rupees symbol. So the total amount given by the Radhika's parent will be 26 rupees 30 paise. Fourth question of this exercise is, Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of cloth bought by her. Again here you observe the word total. It means we need to add the two numbers given in the question. So here first number is 3 meter 20 centimeter, which is the length of cloth for her shirt, and second number is 2 meter 5 centimeter, which is the length of cloth for her trouser. Now let's write down the statement for this question. Our first statement will be cloth for her shirt equal to 3 meter 20 centimeter. Next statement is cloth for her trouser equal to 2 meter 5 centimeter. Here you can see that the length of the cloth is in two different units, that is meter and centimeter. Now to solve this question we need to change the number into the same unit, that is into meter. How it is possible, how we can do that? Let's understand the concept of this. You know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So here how many zeros are here? 2 zeros. It means we can use 2 digits to represent the centimeter part. We can write 1 centimeter, we can write 90 centimeter, even we can write 99 centimeter. But it comes to 100 centimeter, that is equal to 1 meter. So here we use only 2 digits to represent the centimeter part. So here when we want to change the 3 meter and 20 centimeter into meter, then what we can do? We will keep the meter part as it is, that is 3 meter, and to represent the centimeter part, because this is the part of meter, so we can add 1 decimal point here. And how many digits we can use to represent the centimeter? We use 2 digits to represent centimeter part. So we will write 20 here and then meter here. So 3 meter 20 centimeter is equals to 3.20 meter. Simply you can remember here how many zeros are here? 2 zeros. So we use 2 digits to represent the centimeter. Same, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So here if we want to change the 5 kilometer and 200 meter into kilometer, so what we need to do? How many zeros are here? 3 zeros. It means we can add 3 digits after decimal point to represent the meter part. So we will write here 5 meter, then decimal point, and then 3 digits to represent the meter part. So the answer is 5.200 kilometer. The same concept we can use for the gram, kilogram and rupees and paisa for the conversion. So here 3 meter and 20 centimeter, and we want to convert this into meter. So we will write this 3 as it is. Then to represent the centimeter part we can put 1 decimal point here, and we can use 2 digits after decimal point to represent the centimeter part. So here 2 digit is 2 and 0. So we can write it directly, and then this is the meter. Now in the same manner we can write here 2, then decimal point, then 2 digits after decimal point is used to represent the centimeter part, but we have only 1 digit, that is 5 here. So to make this 5 2 digit, we can write this 5 as 05. Both are same. So here we will write 05 meter. Now we need to add these two numbers. Now let's write down the third statement. Total length of cloth equal to, here we need to add 3.20 meter, then 2.05 meter. Let's add this. This is 05, 5 m as it is. 0 plus 2, 2. We need to put decimal point at the same place. Then 2 plus 3, 5. So Our answer is 5.25 meter. Here is fifth question of this exercises. Naresh walked 2 km 35 meter in the morning and 1 km 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? Here you can observe the word in all. It means we need to add the all given numbers in the question. So numbers are 2 km 35 meter which Naresh walked in the morning and 1 km 7 meter which Naresh walked in the evening. Now let's write down the statement for this question. Naresh walked in the morning that is 2 km 35 meter. Then second statement is Naresh walked in the evening that is 1 km and 7 meter. So here you can see that the distance given in two different units, kilometer and meter. So to solve this question we need to change this meter into kilometer. As we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and here you can see that 3 zeros are here. It means we need to use 3 digits after decimal point to represent the meter part. So here what we can write 2 as it is, that is in kilometer form. Then we need to put decimal point and then we need to use 3 digits after decimal point to represent this meter part. But here we have only 2 digits. So we can write this 35 as 035 to make this 35 3 digit number. So we will write 035 kilometer. Same here we will write 1 as it is, then decimal point and then 3 digit after decimal point we will use to represent the meter part. But here we have only 1 digit. So how we can change this 7 into 3 digit number? So we can write 007 for this single digit 7. So we will write this 007 kilometer. Now let's write down the third statement, that the total distance walked by Naresh equal to 2.035 kilometer, 1.007 kilometer. Now we need to add these two numbers. So 5 plus 7, that is 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4, 0 plus 0, 0. We will keep the decimal point at the same place. Then 2 plus 1, 3 kilometer. So here is our answer, that is 3.042 kilometer, which is the total distance covered by the Naresh. Here is the sixth question of this exercises. Sunita travelled 15 km 268 meter by bus, 7 km 7 meter by car and 500 meter on foot in order to reach her school. How far is her school from her residence? It is asking how far. It means we need to add all the distances covered by Sunita in different ways. Firstly, she travelled 15 km 268 meter by bus. Then she travelled 7 km 7 meter by car and 500 meter on foot. So what we need to do? We need to add all the distances travelled by Sunita. So let's write down this statement for this question. So first statement is distance travelled by bus, that is equal to 15 km 268 meter. Then distance travelled by car, that is 7 km 7 meter. Then distance traveled on foot, that is 500 meter. Now here you can see that we have two different units to represent the distance. So we need to change the distance in the same unit first of all. So what we need to do here? We need to change all the distance into kilometer first. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. How many zeros are here? We have 3 zeros. It means we need to use 3 digits after decimal point to represent this meter part in kilometer. So what we need to do here? How many kilometers are here? 15. So we will write 15 as it is. Then we need to put decimal point to represent this meter part. So we will use 3 digits after decimal point to represent the meter. So we have 3 digits here. So it's okay. We will write directly 268 here and then kilometer. Next we have 7 kilometers. So we will write 7 here. Then we need to put decimal point and then we need to write down this 7 meter as kilometers. So we need to use 3 digits after decimal point to represent the meter part. So here 7 is single digit. So what we can write here? We can change this single digit 7 into 3 digit 7 like this. So we will write here 007 kilometer. Then here is 500 meter. Here we don't have kilometer part. So what does it mean? We have 0 kilometer part. Then we need to put decimal point. Then we need to use 3 digit after decimal point to represent this meter. And we also have 3 digit here. So we will write as it is here 500 kilometer. Now all the numbers are changed into kilometer. So here we can write total distance from Sunita's school to her residence equal to, we need to add all these 3 digits. So we will write here 15.268 kilometer, then 7.007 kilometer, then 0.500 kilometer. Then we need to add this. So 8 plus 7, that is 15. 1 carry, 1 plus 6, that is 7. 2 plus 5, that is 7. Then we need to put the decimal point as it is. Then 5 plus 7, that is 12. 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2 kilometer. So the total distance from Sunita's school to her residence is 22 kilometer 775 meter or 22.775 kilometer. Here is the last question of this exercise is, Ravi purchased 5 kilogram 400 gram rice, 2 kilogram 20 gram sugar and 10 kg 850 gram flour. Find the total weight of his purchase. Here you can observe the word total. It means we need to add all the numbers given in the question. And the numbers are 5 kg 400 gram which is the weight of rice, then 2 kg 20 gram which is the weight of sugar, and then 10 kg 850 gram which is the weight of flour. So let's write down the statement for this question. First is weight of rice equal to 5 kg 400 gram. Then weight of sugar which is 2 kg 20 gram. Next is weight of flour which is 10 kg 850 gram. Here you can see that the weight of all the ingredients in two different units. So first of all we need to change the number into the same unit. So what we need to do here, we know that 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. How many zeros are here? 3 zeros are here. It means we need to use 3 digit after decimal point to represent this gram into kilogram. First of all, we need to write down this kg as it is, 5 kg as it is. Then we need to put 1 decimal point to represent this gram part. So how many digits we can use to represent the gram part after decimal point? We can use 3 digit. So here we have 3 digit. So we will write 400 as it is, then kilogram. Next, here we have 2 kilograms. So we will write 2 here. Then we need to put 1 decimal point here and then 3 digit after decimal point for gram part. But here you can see that we have only 2 digit for gram. So what we can do here? We can change this 2 digit into 3 digit by adding 1 0 here. So instead of writing 20, we will write 020. We will write 020 here, then kg. Next, here we will write 10 kg. Then we need to put decimal point, 3 digit after decimal point for the gram part. And we also have 3 digit here to represent the gram part. So we will copy 850 as it is, then this is kg. Now we need to find out the total weight. Total weight of Ravi's purchase is equal to, we need to add all these numbers. So we will write down 5.400 kg, then 2.020 kg, then 10.850 kg. Let's add all these three numbers. So here kg as it is, then 000, 25, 7, 4 plus 8, 12, 1 carry, keep the decimal point as it is, then 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, then here 1. So our answer is 18.270 kg. Thanks for watching friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. Thank you.